Welcome to Review Lab. The best Samsung A12 screen is probably one of the most crucial components for maintaining the functionality and visual experience of your device, and choosing the right replacement can significantly impact your daily use, ensuring vibrant colors, sharp details, and responsive touch capabilities that you expect from your Samsung smartphone, making it essential to invest in a high-quality display that guarantees durability and seamless integration. Number 5. i-Blason Cosmo Series Case for Samsung Galaxy A12. Introducing the i-Blason Cosmo Series, designed to keep your Samsung Galaxy A12 safe and sound. It offers robust protection against everyday wear and tear. Engineered for extreme durability, this case has been tested to withstand drops from up to 10 feet. You can trust it to protect your device from accidental falls. Experience complete defense with its full-body design and shock-absorbent TPU bumpers. It effectively guards your phone against drops and impacts. The front cover features a built-in screen protector that is fully touch-sensitive. Enjoy seamless interaction with your device without compromising on protection. Keep your case looking pristine with its scratch and scrape-resistant casing. It's designed to maintain its color and finish over time, resisting fading and discoloration. With raised bezels for both the camera and screen, this case provides an extra layer of defense. It helps prevent scratches and damage when placed on flat surfaces. What we like. This case offers robust, full-body protection with a built-in screen protector. If you're prone to drops or need maximum defense against everyday wear and tear, this is the choice for you. It's ideal for active users or anyone who wants peace of mind. What people say. The screen is a perfect fit for the Samsung A12, with vibrant colors and sharp resolution. Installation was straightforward, and the touch sensitivity is excellent, just like the original screen. The display quality is impressive, offering great brightness and clarity for everyday use. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy A12 Replacement Screen with Frame. Is your Samsung Galaxy A12 screen cracked or unresponsive? We have the perfect replacement part for you. This kit is designed specifically for your device. This screen replacement comes with a front frame, a screen protector, and a full repair tool kit. You'll have everything you need to complete the repair easily. Say goodbye to dead spots, cracks, and touch response problems. This new display will restore your phone's functionality and clarity. Need help with the installation? Search for A12 screen replacement on YouTube for helpful tutorial videos. You can easily follow along to complete the process. We are committed to providing the best service. If you need any assistance with your purchase, please don't hesitate to contact us via Amazon message. What we like. This screen replacement comes with a frame and a full repair kit, making it a convenient all-in-one solution. If your phone's screen is cracked or unresponsive, this kit allows for a DIY repair. It's perfect for those who want to save money by fixing their phone themselves. What people say. The screen is a perfect fit for the Samsung A12, and the colors are vibrant and clear. Installation was straightforward, and the touch sensitivity is excellent, just like the original screen. Number 3. ZAGG InvisibleShield Glass Elite for Samsung A13 5G. Experience our strongest glass screen protection ever. It's 4x stronger than traditional screen protectors, offering extreme shatter protection. Our advanced ion exchange technology enhances surface compression. This provides superior strength and exceptional scratch resistance for your device. Enjoy a consistently clean screen thanks to our exclusive ClearPrint technology. It effectively disperses oils, making smudges nearly invisible. The reinforced edges prevent chipping and are designed with a beveled shape. They seamlessly blend into the screen for a sleek look. You'll love the feel of this screen protection. Its surface offers the same silky, smooth sensation as your phone's original screen. Installing this screen protector is a breeze. Enjoy effortless application for immediate protection. What we like. Experience extreme durability with 4x shatter protection and a smudge-free surface. If you prioritize a pristine, responsive screen that resists fingerprints and accidental drops, this is the premium option. It's designed for users who demand the best clarity and protection. What people say. The screen is a perfect fit for the Samsung A12, and the display quality is excellent. Installation was straightforward, and the touch sensitivity works flawlessly. The colors are vibrant and the resolution is sharp, making it a great replacement screen. Number 2. WINCGYCG for Samsung A12 Screen Replacement Kit. This replacement screen is designed specifically for your Samsung Galaxy A12. It ensures a perfect fit for various models, bringing your device back to life. Experience the same high quality that repair shops trust. Each screen is rigorously tested to ensure it's in perfect working condition before it reaches you. Whether it's cracked, damaged, or unresponsive, this screen will fix all display issues. Enjoy a crystal clear, high-resolution, and sensitive touch experience. Save money by easily replacing the screen yourself. We recommend following online tutorial videos for a smooth and successful installation process. For the best results, remember to turn off your phone before starting. Gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive and disconnect the battery first for a seamless replacement. What we like. Get a high-quality, rigorously tested LCD screen replacement that's easy to install yourself. If your current screen has cracks, dead spots, or touch issues, this offers a cost-effective solution. It's a great choice for budget-conscious individuals looking for a reliable fix. What people say. The screen is a perfect fit for the Samsung A12, and the colors are vibrant and clear. Installation was straightforward, and the touch sensitivity is excellent, just like the original screen. The display quality is impressive, with good brightness and sharp resolution, making it great for media consumption. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy A12 LCD Screen Replacement. This is a replacement LCD screen assembly specifically designed for the Samsung Galaxy A12. Please ensure your phone model matches before making a purchase. Each replacement screen undergoes strict quality control to ensure it arrives in perfect condition. You can expect a display with no scratches, dead zones, or pixel issues. Experience high color saturation and resolution with a smooth touch response. This part is designed to restore your phone's display to its original clarity and feel. Perfect for resolving issues like incorrect screen response, display problems, cracked screens, or distorted colors. This assembly will bring your phone's display back to life. We recommend testing the new screen before permanently installing it to guarantee functionality. For installation guidance, searching for a video tutorial on YouTube is advised. While we provide a quality replacement part, professional installation is recommended for the best results. Ensure your device is functioning perfectly after the repair. What we like. This replacement screen boasts strict quality control, high color saturation, and a smooth feel. If you're looking to restore your phone's display to its original vibrant quality after damage, this is an excellent option. It's suitable for users who value visual fidelity and a seamless touch experience. What people say. The screen is a perfect fit for the Samsung A12, and the colors are vibrant and clear. Installation was straightforward, and the touch sensitivity is excellent, just like the original screen. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.